การเงินค่ะแล้วก็มิสเตอร์จอห์นเรย์เป็น CFO แล้วก็ Business Development Manager ค่ะตอนนี้ก็ขอเรียนเชิญมิสเตอร์เยฟนะคะเพื่อที่จะนำเสนอผลประกอบการค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ and welcome. You have the presentation with you. I'll run through quickly, and then you have question and answers. I'll run through the following topics. The company vision. Yeah, our company's vision is to be lean and happy company through 4 sets of values: happy customers, happy employees, happy shareholders, and happy public. Our business strategy is to be strong in Thailand or Southeast Asia, and with interest in China and India. Today we have a new factory in China, and of course we are looking at the possibility of India. And our target is to be a strong Asian company. The Thailand car industry, this graph was done some time ago, and actually the forecast will be higher than what is shown on the graph, which means Thailand is really, the car industry is progressing very, very well. Car production for the first half of last year was 840,000 units. 840,000 units. For the first half of 2012, it's over 1 million units. And the pickup last year 60%, this year 64%. The cars was 39%. This year is 34%. The car production trend on the month-to-month basis, you can see that this is the highest ever in the history of Thailand. Domestic car sales last year, 432,000 units first half. For this year, it's 606,000 units or 40%. 40% increase. 40% increase from last year. And similarly, the domestic car sales is very, very strong. Month by month, you can see that it is the highest ever recorded in the history of Thailand. This market update, some information has been presented before, but just want to repeat again. The Ford has a new Ford Focus already launched. I think Mitsubishi has a Mirage Eco car, and Mitsubishi is coming with a new pickup, and also Nissan as well. And Suzuki already launched the new Eco car. Volkswagen, they have plans to set up a new plant in Thailand, but it's not officially announced. Newly launched and future projects. Honda Brio launched last year, but because of the flood, it's just starting to pick up again. The Ford Ranger and Ford Focus launched, but the Ranger is short of cars in Thailand because the export market is very strong. The Mazda pickup, also the demand is very strong. The Isuzu new D-Max, the demand is also very strong. The Suzuki Swift, all these cars are on waiting list. Actually, if you order a car today, you have to wait. You can't get cars from the showroom immediately. Some cars are waiting 2 months, 3 months, even up to 6 months. Honda Brio sedan, the new Honda Eco car coming out. The financial summary. Basically, I would say that our Q2 performance is coming back to a fair and realistic level of the industry. And for the gross profit, you can see that we are achieving between 6 to 7% here. And for Q2, our net profit is 7%. Q1 was 3.2%. And the return on equity has also increased 6.37% for Q2. Here we compare Q1, Q2, 2011 and 2012. I think the significant thing you can see is the sale. The Q2 sale is gone up quite high, 3.9 million. And total for first half of this year is 6.9 billion against 5.4 billion last year. So half on half, there's a 28% increase. And similarly, all the figures have gone better. Gross profit 30%. SG&A went up marginally. EBITDA went up 51%. EBIT 54%. Net profit 171%. Earning per share 171%. Half on half. This is a graph showing the sale and the share price of Apico. You can see that this is the December share price of every year. Our highest was at this level, which is close to 35 baht, gone down, and currently it is about 19 baht. And this blue graph here is the turnover, the sale. When Apico was listed, the sale went up gradually, then sort of stable. It went down here, hamburger crisis. It went up again, and then floods again impacted last year, the floods. But we expect this year to be again a record sale. It will be about the level of the Star, or even up to 14 billion for this year's sale. But what price is the share price? I don't know. It depends on the situation and the market, and what price the share will trend up. But of course, the highest trend we have was around 35, 35 baht. Sales contribution by countries. Thailand 84%, Malaysia 9%, and China 7%. Quarterly revenues. You can see here, Q2 is 4 billion. Although I showed earlier was 3.9. That 1 billion come from other income, which is not production income. Going forward, I think if the industry does not change, then we can see figures around this level for our quarterly sales. Profits, I think I've explained. This was the impact of the flood, and then gradually our profits are trending up. Press and stamping parts. You can see our customer profile. AAT Auto Alliance, that's Ford and Mazda, Nissan, Toyota, and others. And of course, you can see that there's Ford as well. Now Ford has got an assembly plant, so there's direct Ford business. Apico Forging and Machine Parts. Again, we have Auto Alliance Thailand and Yamaha, main customers, and some export and local customers.